Big old dragonfly. Alright, so closet's basically done. We got some shelves we're going to be working on today that are going to be going up on this wall just for more storage, and possibly one more above here. So I'm going to be working on getting those cut and sanded today. We're going to clean up all this stuff. So all our construction stuff is going to be going upstairs because that will be our next big move. Going to start working up there pretty darn quick. We're hoping, well, we should be moved down here by, I think, the end of the week. Yeah, there's not much to do, just kind of get in baseboards and stuff like that. So let's get cracking. There. Hello everyone out there in YouTube land. How you doing? So yeah, had a couple of days off, my birthday, so I figured, take a couple of days off, and had a really good time. Sally was awesome as usual and got me a trip out fishing with Sport Fishing Adventures BOCAS Del Toro, and I'll roll on those clips right now. Good morning. It is really early. It is 10 after 5, which I have to be in a boat in a second. We're heading over to Chad's place because for my birthday, which is today, Sally got me a fishing trip with Marcel, one of the local guides, and one of our friends. So super excited. It's pitch black. After a beautiful day yesterday, it's raining or drizzling right now. So hopefully that passes up because I got the drone on with me, and yeah, let's go see what happens.
You got the camera? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, man. Hell yeah. Wow, look at that sucker. There you go, Mike. Yeah, man. Hell yeah. Happy birthday, Mike. Happy birthday. Oh, yeah. Here we go.
What was that, 3 minutes? From one fish to the next?
Oh, there he goes. Oh.
Yeah. Nice, got it.
That's fishing, huh?
So after getting my first big ass tarpon, I took a little break, and then we went over to the floating bar for the afternoon and just chilled and had a good time with our BOCAS family.
Don't look so creepy. Give us your sexy look. Oh. 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 Bedroom
But now it's back to work. So today's the big day. Today's the day we move downstairs. So you can see I got the shelves. I just did a did the flip coat on the shelves. So I got those are all ready to go. So Sally's been bringing stuff down this morning, and cleaning up in here. So I've got the bedside tables are in place. We'll be moving down the mattress and bed pretty soon. Chutki's got our stuff up, and this is where the other shelves are going to go. So I have some shelving there, and there'll be another one up here just for some more stuff. And yeah, that's pretty exciting. Woohoo! Say hi. So on our back wall above our bed, we've got some art that we brought back from Canada. This painting is by Tanya Slingsby. I'll link her website in the description below, but we've had this crated for, what, year and a half? At least a year and a half, so, and we haven't opened it up since we've gotten here, so. Let's see what happens.
A bit nervous. There we go, fingers crossed.
I think we're good.
We're good. Yeehaw! Okay, yeah,
Good.
it is. Looking good.
Yep. Solid. No mold, no fungus, nothing.
Doing a happy dance. Oh my god, that's gonna look so awesome in here.
Alright. Let's get her up.
Get her up.
With the bedroom complete and it being a gorgeous day outside, we decided to go for a paddle in our new kayaks in our backyard. I often forget that just on the other side of our little mangrove island is a beautiful reef. It's a great spot to go for a snorkel and it's really close to home.
Please like and subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications of future videos as we continue to renovate the future Sunsetter Bed and Breakfast.